Hello everybody, today we're going to be making smoothies with my aunt, and I like to call her my second mom because I basically spend half of my life at her house eating all of her food. It's no wonder that Selena, her daughter, is also really great at making food. She made a couple videos on her channel because it's just also good at her house. So first we're going to start off with a couple of bananas and some frozen blueberries and strawberries. Frozen if you want to get a little bit creamier, more of like an ice cream texture to it, and frozen, or not frozen, sorry, if you just want it to be a drink. So we're going to add a splash of milk and a drizzle of honey and blend it in your blender. Or your Ninja Creamy, I know those are super good. And this is the secret ingredient, so add a little bit of lemon zest to the top and mix it once more to get that all mixed in and incorporated. And then this is what the final product should look like. This consistency, and bonus points for some bubbling at the top. But that's it. We hope you enjoy these smoothies as much as I do. Happy smoothieing! Bye bye!